Ever felt like your Tineco Floor One S5 is giving you the silent treatment? You dock it, you wait for that satisfying charging glow, but nothing. Zero. Awesome. Ever wondered what's going on inside? Most owners think it's a broken charger. But here's the real tea. The Tineco Floor One S5 is famous for its sudden death charging syndrome. The secret culprit? A faulty battery pack that's decided to retire way earlier than planned. At this point, most people start Googling how to replace Tineco battery or looking for cheap parts online. Stop right there. One wrong wire, one broken seal, and suddenly you have a water leak frying the whole motherboard. Then your repair bill goes from okay to, oh my God. Why risk the headache and the misdiagnosis? This is exactly why RoboCare exists. At RoboCare, we don't guess, we diagnose. We don't just swap parts, we diagnose the entire system to make sure there isn't an underlying issue draining your power. We use genuine components that actually last, so you don't find yourself in this same mess 3 months from now. Check out this result. From a dead machine back to 100% life. That is the RoboCare difference. Our customers don't just get a working vacuum, they get their time and their sanity back. Stop fighting with your charging base and let the pros handle it. Let's get your Tineco back to work. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.